So today we are going to learn about the NAT. Okay, what is NAT? I will explain everything for today, and we will try to do the lab also. Okay, NAT is what? NAT is called Network Address Translation. Okay, what does it mean? I've already explained, but network address translation, it means that we all know that what is private IP. Okay, so where is actually using the NAT? We know what is private IP. So private IP 10.0.0.0/8 172.16.16. 172.16.0.0 to 172.16.31.255 and 192.168.0.0 to 192.168.255.255. So this is the range of private IP, guys. Okay, this is the range of private IPs. So what does it mean that? So we know that private IP is actually not routable to the public. Okay, private IP is not routable to the public. Public means what? Internet. Those IP will not able to routable to the internet. Okay, so what does it mean that this is my firewall, this is my internet, okay, and we have an office LAN network. We know that in the office LAN network we are using private IP only. Suppose we have a one inside zone, have a this IP /10 subnet. So whenever this subnet will try to go outside internet, it has to be it means it has to be use some kind of public IP. Then only it would be routable to the internet. So while while changing or while converting a private IP to public IP, it's called NATing. Okay, so NATing means what? That one private IP, it's like suppose this is my private IP 10.10.1. Whenever it will go to internet, it will NAT. NAT means what? It will translate it, it will change, convert it, whatever it is. It will convert into some public IP, whatever the public IP. Okay, I'm just taking for example 1.1.1. Okay, so it will NAT it to this IP, public IP, and then it will go to the internet. Okay, internet. This thing is clear, guys. Whenever private IP want to go to the internet, it has to be NATed. NATed means it has to be translated. So it has to be translated to one of the public IP, then only it will able to get the internet access or able to route to the internet. That's called here actually NATing is actually play an important role. NATing is network address translation. It means translating the network address. Got it, right? T means translation. It is translating. Okay, translating is changing from private IP to public IP. What it is translating? Network address. We know that private IP is this IP is a network address. So NATing is actually helping to translating the private IP to the public IP to go for the internet access. Okay, or to route in a public or internet. So that's the use or features of a NAT. That is clear, guys. What is the use of NAT? What is NATing? Now we understood what is NAT. Okay, what is NAT? We know that. Now we need to understand types of NAT. So that is important. Types of NAT. So guys, basically there are two types we can say. I will explain those things later, but just try to. One we can say source NAT. Source NAT. Actually, these are not a types of NAT. I will explain, but just try to be with me. I want to explain everything first. One is source NAT and other one is destination NAT. Okay, destination NAT. Guys, what is source NAT? Source NAT where only source IP is NATing. Source NAT where source IP is NATing. NATing is changing. Okay, only source IP is NATing. I will explain what is those things. Okay, destination NAT is what? Where destination IP is NATing. That is clear, guys. Source NAT, according to the name, we came to know that something is happening with the source IP. Okay, where the only source IP is NATing, and destination NAT, according to the name, we came to know destination IP is NATing. Okay, so what is exactly source NAT? I will explain here. Okay, so guys, in the NATing, always remember one formula. If you are using any vendor, Checkpoint, Cisco, Fortinet, whatever it is, just always remember this formula. It is not going to be your NAT. Always you are able to, you are not going to be confused. Always think like this. For NAT, always compare like one is original packet. Okay, original packet. Why am I writing? I don't know. And one is translated packet. So if you always, guys, do a match like this in your paper, always, so it will not get you confused. So put like this and put the name, put like source IP and destination IP. Okay, guys, like same here, source IP and destination IP. Okay, that is clear. Original packet and translated packet. What is original packet? Original packet, who is initiating the traffic? So like suppose we have one request. Like suppose we have one request. This is my firewall. Okay, and this is internet. And we have one LAN segment inside. This is my outside. And there's a one PC has an IP of 10.0.0.1. And this PC want to go outside. Simple. What we did a NATing of this PC, And whenever this PC will go out, it will take IP of 1.1.1.1. Okay, it will translate it to 1.1.1 public IP, and then it will go to the internet. Okay, that's the configuration actually. So, so come to here. So what is the original packet? Original packet, original source. So where the traffic is initiating from this PC. What is the source IP? Source IP is 10.0.0.1. That is clear. Okay. What is the destination IP? Destination IP, guys, this PC will, like, suppose accessing google.com, whatever it is, google.com, facebook.com, internet.com, whatever it is. Make sure that IP is some kind of public IP, right? So suppose this PC is initiating traffic, whatever the traffic it is in the internet, the IP of the internet IP is 2.2.2. Okay, like this PC want to access 2.2.2, whatever it is, I don't know, it's a public internet something. So destination IP is 2.2.2.2. This is my destination IP. That is clear, guys. Source IP, destination IP. Now, as we know that this IP will not able to go to the internet, so we will NAT it, source NAT. So because destination IP is already public, no need to require to NAT of this IP. Okay. Yeah. If anyone required, that is okay, but no need to require. Here's a source, because this is a private IP not able to routable to the internet. So we have to be NAT it. Okay. So in the translated packet, it means the translated packet, we have translated this source IP to 1.1.1.1. Okay. And what is my destination IP? Destination IP is my same 2.2.2.2. So this is the original packet. Original packet source is 10.0.0.1 and destination is 2.2.2. And translated packet, my source IP is now translated to 1.1.1 and destination IP is same 2.2.2. So this is how whenever, if you are working on the NAT, this is how you can make your configuration. Always think about the original packet and translated packet, so you will not going to be miss anything. So that's how actually packet is translating. Okay, so what I have done here, I have just translated source IP here. Okay, so this source IP netted to some other source IP, but destination is not yet netted. Okay, only source IP is netted. Okay, so like suppose if we have a condition where my destination IP is netted. Okay, the condition is like this. This is my firewall, and we have a one DMG. We have one DMG segment. Okay, and there is a one PC 172.16.1.1. Okay, this PC. We have a one inside event. Okay, there is a one PC. IP of this PC is 10.0.0.1. Okay, we have an internet, and there is a one PC. The IP of this PC is 2.2.2.2. Like suppose in this in this request, suppose my outside PC, this PC number 1, 2, and 3. This PC want to take access of this PC. This is my source. Okay, guys, and I have make a configuration that whenever this IP, whenever go to internet, it will NAT to 1.1.1.1. Okay, guys, whenever this will go to internet, it will NAT to 1.1.1. So now this PC is the initiator. PC3 want to access to DMG web server. Okay, guys. So how we can create? So always think about the original packet. So original packet is what? And translated packet. Okay. Original packet, what is my source IP? Source IP is here, guys, this one. And destination IP is what, guys? Now the translated packet, what is my source IP? Source IP is same, right? Source IP is same, okay? Source IP is not changing. But what is changing here? Changing here. Okay. Original packet, what is my source IP? Source IP is here, guys, this one. And destination IP is what, guys? Now the translated packet, what is my source IP? Source IP is same, right? Source IP is same, okay? Source IP is not changing. But what is changing here? Changing here. 72.16.1.1. So this is a way, actually, this is called destination NAT. What is netting here? Destination IP is netting. Okay, guys. So now we got the concept of source netting, destination netting. Let me explain this again, okay? Here I want to show you the destination NAT, actually. Let me show you again. Okay, so I've just given an example that this is one scenario. We have one firewalls and we have one subnet here. Okay, like this is a DMG. I've given the name, and there is one PC. I'm sorry, and there is one PC at DMZ. IP of this PC is 172.16.1.1. I'm just giving the IP of this PC. Okay, guys. DMZ is our like a local LAN. Okay, it's at the firewall. Like this is inside zone. What is DMZ? I've explained. DMZ is also is the like a secured like a LAN. Okay, yeah, it's not connected with the internet. This is not where actually we would try to put the servers, where servers and those kind of things. Okay, demilitarized zone. So internet is connected with the outside network only. Okay, these are our LAN only. Like this one is the inside LAN. This is a DMG LAN. Okay, it's clear. Let me explain these scenarios again, so you will get an idea what I want to. And I want to explain about the destination NAT. Okay, then we'll go further. No, I'm explaining again. See that? Like we have one firewall, and here we have one DMZ zone. Here we have a one PC. The IP of this PC is 172.16.1.1. That is clear. I've explained the range of private IP. This is the range of private IP. Please note it down. Now come to the destination NATing. So here is even one PC. Okay, that IP is 2.2.2.2. And that's the only scenarios, guys. Okay. So like in the scenarios, I want that this is a source IP 10.2.2.2 want to access from the internet to this DMG server. Okay. He's the initiator. So he's the initiator, like he's a source. Okay. And he want to connect with this private IP. But whenever he want to connect with this private IP is actually netted with 1.1.1.1. This is a public IP. So as I said, always we will think about this like this. Original packet, and there is translated packet. So at the original packet, what is my source IP? Source IP is 2.2.2.2. Okay. What is my destination IP, guys? So guys, I want to tell you everyone, always your public IP will initiate a connection with public IP only. Always make sure. There should not be a private IP. Okay. Whoever, if traffic coming from the public, that traffic always initiate your traffic to the public IP. Most of the time, most of the people get confused. Okay. So destination IP is 10.2.2. Okay. What is my translated source IP? Source IP is not going to change. Okay. Source IP, I'm keeping the same. Okay. The same source IP, 2.2.2.2. And destination IP is going to change here. That is 172.16.1.1, whatever it is. So that is called where this is the way we are only, there the destination IP is only netting. So I've explained about what is source NAT, what is destination NAT. There are lots of things need to be learned here. Let's come to my next point. So I want to also tell you about the twice netting. Okay. Like there are some scenarios, guys. Okay. And where you don't want to expose your DNG server, some things. Okay. So I have worked on those kind of scenarios where like this is my firewall and this is the internet, guys. Okay. 2.2.2, same thing. Okay. This is internet. And same example I'm taking. This is my DMG PC with the IP 172.16.1.1.1. I have worked on that kind of scenario where even I want to change this public IP even. I want to NAT the source IP also and destination as well. Okay. I'll explain what is it actually. Okay. So what happened? I'll explain, guys. So that is called twice netting. Twice netting means what? Where the both are netting. Source is also netting, destination is also netting. Just try to understand if you face those kind of scenarios could be in your office. You should have no idea. So suppose this one is NATed to 1.1.1.1 in public, and obviously this is public IP. This will NATed to some private IP 172.16.1.10. Okay, so let's see how the packet goes. So make sure what is your original packet, guys. Original packet would be source IP. See, we have seen some kind of scenarios where the source is also netting and destination is also netting. So here in this kind, this PC2 is from the internet. Okay, it's try to connect with this PC1. Okay, PC1 has a public NAT IP 1.1.1. Okay, and destination, whatever the traffic comes from the destination, it will NAT with this IP. I will explain what is it. Okay, don't think about this right now. So here, what is my original packet? Original packet would be, this is the source 2.2.2 because he is initiating the traffic. Okay, and my destination IP is 1.1.1.1. That is clear, guys. Till then, that is clear, no doubt. Okay, what is my translated packet? Translated packet, guys, I have made such kind of netting configuration at the firewall. Whenever any source in public, if coming to accessing this PC, I want even the source IP is also changed. This is my configuration, okay? Nothing to deal with the, so I have made some configuration. If any public IP would come in to accessing this PC, I also want to change the source IP. So I have made a configuration that 2.2.2 will change to some 172.16.1.10. And my destination IP is already netting to 172.16.1.1. So where your source is also netting, your destination IP is also netting. These kind of scenarios, it's called twice netting. Okay. So just how the netting would be done, actually, I will explain just after that. Just understand the scenarios. Okay. Like what is source netting, we understood. What is destination netting, we understood. What is twice netting, where the source is also netting, destination is also netting. Those kind of scenarios called twice netting. That is clear, guys. The company has decided, okay, whatever the company is there, decided that no one can directly access this my server from the public IP. I will not allow any public IP to access. Whatever the public IP is coming to access this PC, it has to be also NAT to some of the local network. Okay, it has to be NAT. That's all of the company decision. He doesn't want to, he doesn't want to actually expose his IP. Okay, so that's why he will do a such kind of configuration at the firewall. So even the source IP is also NAT. That's it. Even the source IP is also NATing. This is all the company requirement. Okay, in such a kind of requirement where you want to even the NAT the source IP, even the destination IP, you can do it likewise simply. Okay.